Today we're going to be making a protein smoothie without using any protein powder. Cheers. Let's give that a shot.
Delicious.
All right, good morning everyone. Welcome to a new cooking video. We're joined by a very special guest. Linda, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Good. You ready for our pre-workout smoothie before our upper body workout this afternoon?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So today we're going to be making a protein smoothie without using any protein powder. So the main ingredient we're going to be using is going to be the Silken tofu. It's going to blend very easily. Again, this whole pack is 20 grams of protein. So we're going to make a whole smoothie, split it by 2. I already calculated all the macros on this. So I think it'll be 320-ish calories each for the smoothie, okay, and about 15 grams of protein, because the tofu with the other ingredients is going to add an additional like 10 grams, so 30 grams for the whole thing.
Great.
All right, you ready? You're going to feel the muscles? All right. You want to share a little bit about, how your transformation has been so far and how the food's been and all the muscles that you've put on?
Well, the food's been great. There's, when you first start this program, there's menu plan. And I didn't do that very often because I love to just kind of shoot from the hip, but I took it as a guideline.
Yeah. And
so that was really nice. And so, yeah, in focusing on getting good whole food plant-based proteins and lots of vegetables, and it's been really awesome.
Good. You got leaner.
Got leaner.
You got stronger.
Stronger.
We recorded a full podcast together, which is going to be out at this point by the time this goes out. So you mentioned you're stronger and almost as fit as when you did a half marathon.
Yeah, back over in 2012.
Yes, over a decade ago.
Yep.
With less workouts.
Yes, less workouts.
Yeah, awesome.
More fun workouts.
More fun workouts. There you go. Yeah, because who likes running? Who does that? Who does running for fun? Awesome. All right, so we'll get into the ingredients and then we'll put everything together.
So for our main protein source, we've got Silken tofu, and there's, what you said, 20 grams of protein in this.
20 grams for the whole pack, yeah.
The whole pack. We've got frozen dragon fruit.
That's going to be good.
Frozen banana. My favorite Kirkland 3-berry blend. Raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries, and Silk organic almond milk.
Yeah, it's good. Unsweet. And then every time you go to Costco, you got to buy at least 3 bags of those.
Yeah.
You got to stock up on them.
That's right.
Awesome. All right, so let's put everything in the blender.
All right.
All right, let's make a protein powder-free smoothie.
All right. So we'll start by doing the tofu.
Oh, you're a solid first versus liquid first. All right.
Oh, it's kind of, it depends on the day.
It depends on the day, right?
But if you're using protein powder, you don't want to put that in first.
Oh yeah, it'll just stick everywhere. Yeah, Silken tofu.
Really
I honestly don't know if it would taste as good with the extra firm. I think it would be a little bit too chunky.
Actually, it doesn't. I use the shelf stable, and I use the extra firm because it's got more protein in it.
Yeah. Our spoon from the Philippines.
I love wooden spoons.
Yeah. So you see, guys, if you get a great transformation, you get to come in our kitchen and cook for Ivy and I. That's perfect. and I'll put you guys on camera. We got a crowd back here.
Audience.
Yes, we got a supportive crowd. Yeah. So we're gonna do 4 cups of unsweet almond milk. Come on, Linda. We've been working out here. You can't open the. There you go.
Too funny.
That's what muscles are for. There you go.
All right, so we're going to do 4 cups.
Yeah, so basically it's going to taste like a fruit smoothie, but it's good to know that it wouldn't be chunky with the extra firm.
Yeah, it's not. I mean, especially with the Vitamix.
Yeah, I'll stay forever. All right.
Vitamixes. Okay, so 4 cups of that.
Yeah, and obviously usually I'll put plant-based protein powder, but we just want to do a recipe for people that don't want to use protein powder.
There we go. I used to be really anti-protein powder, but I'm not anymore.
What changed your mind?
Well, it's like to get in enough, and it's a way of getting it with lower calories.
Yes.
And I found some that, taste really yummy, the chocolate ones.
Yeah.
And I'll add a little extra cacao powder sometimes.
Yeah, the cacao powder will definitely change the flavor profile.
And that stuff's got protein in it too. So.
Yeah, and it's the calorie cost of the gram of protein is definitely lower on protein powder. Because if you like a full block of tofu, like an really extra firm, it'll be like 50 grams, but it's like 500 calories to get 50 grams of protein. It's pretty high compared to a scoop and a half of plant-based protein powder.
Right.
Yeah, I'll make a pretty good size smoothie. Adding those antioxidants. We're out of berries.
All right, and then the bananas.
Yeah, so those frozen bananas was before we went on the vegan cruise. We had bananas that were gonna go bad. We just froze them.
I do that all the time. In fact, sometimes I buy more bananas than I know we're gonna need.
Yeah.
So that I get some so that I can put them in the freezer.
Yeah, and it changes the consistency of the smoothie as well
Yeah.
versus having a fresh banana. Yeah, all right. Put the lid right on there. Definitely started it without it before. It's all right.
Oh, that would be good.
It makes a nice mess, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I got this one from Costco. Oh, I got a nice color. All right, so let's try this. We got our Fit Vegan mugs. Put a sticker on there.
Nice. Oh, it's a sticker. Yeah. That's one of the biggest stickers. All right.
I just gotta point out while she's pouring, look at those biceps. There you go.
Do you want me to fill yours up?
Oh, yeah. That's what 67 years young looks like. Look at those guns. You need permits for those in California. You can't be walking around with those.
All right, you're
Awesome.
funny. All right.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Let's give that a shot. Tastes good. Tastes like the fruit. Tastes
Really
like dragon
good.
fruit. Yeah, we could have put less almond milk in it. It's definitely like tasting more almond milky.
It's good though.
Awesome. So, I like this full blender. 30 grams of protein for the whole thing. We tracked all the macros on it. So 15 grams of protein each for half the blender, and we'll be pretty full. That would be about like 2 of these cups, basically. Yeah. So it's an easy way to get extra protein in your smoothie and in your day without having to use protein powder if you're against protein powder. Yeah.
Delicious.
Awesome.
Thank
Well, Linda,
you.
we're gonna drink this up and then we'll get ready for our workout. That's a pre-workout
All right.
meal.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Beautiful. So if you guys, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because the workout video is going to come out live, and then we're also going to be doing a workout with our husband, Gary. So that's going to be out on the channel. So let us know down below if you want more recipes like this without protein powder in them, and we'll be sure to record those for you guys. All right. Enjoy your day. We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.